This is what we're working with. It's a big pile today. As you already can see, Dylan already jumped on it.
It's a big one.
It's a big boy. Big boy money. Let's get straight into it. Got no time to waste. Always start with the bulky stuff first. Get them out the way. Our goal is to do this under 2 hours. So nasty. Water literally leaked over me. I just say take and go, bro.
Yeah, at this point.
Give me all that.
We're just gonna start making progress.
Whew. It's gonna be a full load. Easily.
It's still decent. Oh my goodness. It's fully poured.
Yeah.
That's easy, like 150, 200. 1,
2, 3. You ready? Ladies and gentlemen, that's how you save you some time. You can lift this.
You want to go forward with it?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Got it?
Yeah.
Want to drag this real quick?
Yeah. Let me just throw some of this on here. Quick method, guys. If you got a big old tarp and you got 2 people, load your tarp up and you can drag this stuff. Ready? 1, 2, 3. of hitting that tree. Let me come over here because the wind keep blowing. Oh, my bad. Ready? Teamwork, teamwork, everybody teamwork.
Nice and breezy.
Yeah.
You know, I'm surprised that hasn't.
It's a big boy right there. Wow. Missed that one.
What is your offer?
Uh-oh. We'll come back for that. These are heavier than they look, trust me. Is it me or that long one yesterday just disappeared?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Whew.
Got some weight. That was $500, bro.
Damn, you keeping the lights on?
I guess so. I don't know. That's.
What do you keep them plugged in?
I have a window, the 2 window units, and my main AC.
Yeah, that's why. The window units eat more.
Yeah, because I have the window unit for the guest house, and I have one in my garage. So I know.
Yeah, the window units, that's why.
I didn't think it'd be that much though, damn.
Easily you can pull in about 200 to 300 bucks a month for one. You have two, so it makes sense.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah. It was up to 490 bucks.
Yeah.
Plus it's been hot as hell, dude.
Yeah. So you know you have it on a high setting and running, you know.
Yeah, I have it on like 76.
Let's say it's running 10 hours a day, you know, you sleep, plus you might have it on during the day.
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes sense. That's why a lot of people are going solar. Sorry for cutting the video so short, but basically this job took us about 2 days to complete. We had to come back because the dump was closed. The customer was very satisfied, and it was just awesome to do this job with my boy Dylan. So thank you for the help. Make sure y'all stay safe.